After the masts and the booms are put in, we've got our electricians busily connecting all the cabling that comes down through the masts. The crane behind me is used for the incline test, which is to assess the stability of the vessel. So it's gently putting weights onto the boat, and after this we'll have a correct load line for the boat, which will be put onto the side. We're a couple of weeks away from having the rest of the crew join me on board, and what we need to get commissioned is the basic sort of hotel systems. So like the fresh water, the grey water and black water for the sinks and for the toilets, and also things like hot water, which we have an amazing heat recovery system which can take heat from several different renewable sources. It's quite complex, and it's something that not a lot of boats do. We are constantly monitoring so many different things. Every tap has a flow and a temperature sensor on it, things like this. So the amount of data actually flowing around is immense. There's thousands of different sensors and data points on the vessel. We can monitor pretty much anything. That can be then sent to a shoreside team for analysis so that we can have the most efficient way of using the boat. Obviously, we have a large battery capacity, but that only lasts as long as you are as efficient as possible. The less we use, the longer we can go.